Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Airbnb missing payment deposit. So to fix the missing payment deposit on Airbnb mobile app, first you have to verify the payment status. Just head to your Airbnb app, then go to your trips at the bottom of your screen. Since I don't have any trips till now, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. Now once you go to trips, tap on the specific reservation to view the breakdown. Now check your inbox for a booking confirmation email from Airbnb. If you received no email, the payment may have failed or bounced. Now check payout details. Just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, then scroll down and go to account settings. Then go to payments. Now under the traveling section, you will see a payment methods. Tap on it and verify that your bank's routing number, account number, and billing address match exactly what your bank has on file. Now make sure that your account names match exactly. Remember to avoid special characters or hyphens. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then find Airbnb, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.